Are you looking for the best robot vacuums under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best robot vacuums under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Shark ION AV753 Robot Vacuum. Looking for a powerful and efficient robot vacuum? Check out the top of the list, the Shark ION Robot Vacuum AV753. This little machine packs a big punch, with its tri-brush system that can handle both carpets and hard floors. With a runtime of 120 minutes, it's perfect for busy homes or offices. And you can even control it with your voice, thanks to compatible controllers like Vera, Google Assistant, Amazon, and Alexa. So why not try the Shark ION Robot Vacuum AV753 today? You won't be disappointed. While being the more economic option, the Shark ION Robot Vacuum AV753 is very similar to other Shark robot vacuums in terms of cleaning capability, Wi-Fi control, and complete integration with your home. Take the Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV970 for instance. While this vacuum has great sucking potential, it is typically around $100 more expensive. The Shark AV753 is more economic and has a tri-brush system to handle all surface areas with ease. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Robot Vacuum. Whether you're relaxing at home or out enjoying life, Roomba i3 EVO takes care of dirt and messes with a premium 3-stage cleaning system and 10x the power lifting suction. Roomba i3 EVO learns your home and creates an imprint smart map so you can direct it to clean any room you want, anytime you want, either on a set schedule or in the moment. Cleans intelligently in straight lines back and forth, to thoroughly clean your floors while navigating around furniture. When the i3 EVO needs to recharge, it will resume right where it left off, ensuring a complete clean. Patented Dirt Detect technology allows the Roomba i3 EVO to detect dirtier areas of your home and clean them more thoroughly. Integrated sensors tell the robot where it can and can't fit, so it doesn't get stuck under furniture. Instead of using a single bristle brush, Roomba i3 EVO uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that flex to adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. The i3 EVO learns your cleaning habits and can offer up suggestions, even suggesting extra cleanings during peak pollen or shedding season. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. The Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum has been designed with your needs in mind. It features patented Dirt Detect technology that enables it to identify and focus on areas with the most dirt, so you can be sure your floors are always clean. Additionally, the 3-stage cleaning system makes sure every nook and cranny is taken care of. And if you need to run out for a quick errand, don't worry, the Roomba 694 will automatically return to its charging base when its battery runs low. Plus, thanks to app control and voice control capabilities, this little robot can be easily operated from anywhere in your home. The iRobot Roomba 694 is extremely similar to our best value pick, the Bago Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Both options are economic, versatile, lightweight, and have superior maneuvering capability. The main difference is that the Bago Robot Vacuum is remote controlled while the iRobot Roomba 694 does not have a remote and is able to be controlled from an easy-to-use app on your phone. If you lose or misplace things easily, the iRobot Roomba 694 will give you one less thing to keep track of. Number 4. iLife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum. The iLife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful little machine that packs a big punch. Whether you have carpet or hardwood floors, this vacuum cleaner can handle it all. It comes with a remote control so you can easily maneuver it around your home. It also has tangle-free pet hair care technology, so you don't have to worry about your furry friends leaving a mess behind. This vacuum cleaner is self-charging and comes with a 1-year warranty. The predecessor to the iLife V3S Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the iLife V3S, and it is quite similar in size, design, and capability. However, the iLife V3 Pro was created as an upgrade to the iLife V3S to offer a longer runtime. If you like the economic option of iLife but do not want to wait for multiple cycles of charging, then the iLife V3S Pro is the better of the two. Number 5. Leffin M210 Robot Vacuum. Looking for a top-quality robot vacuum cleaner that will make your life easier? Look no further than the Leffin M210 robot vacuum cleaner. This powerful little machine is perfect for cleaning wood, hard floors, and low-pile carpets and comes with a handy remote control so you can operate it easily. With a runtime of 100 minutes, it's perfect for homes of all sizes and comes with the great features like 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors and 4 different clean modes. Plus, the strong suction means that your floors will always look flawlessly clean. The Leffin M210 robot vacuum is comparable to number 9 on our list, the Thamta G10. While they both have similar dustbin capacity, battery life, and ultra-thin design to reduce top collisions, there are some key differentiators. While the Thamta G10 is app-controlled and does have a longer run time, the Leffin M210 has excellent sucking capability for efficient cleaning.